Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about aliases and fragments. So, if you have not watched my previous videos, I will highly recommend you to go and watch them serially as given in the playlist since they are linked one by one, and I have created these videos in such a way that like you will be easily able to understand everything step by step. So if you skip one of the video, you'll find it difficult to understand the next thing. Even if you understand this video, that's fine, but there's something in the previous videos that will help you to grasp and your enable you to think in multiple ways. So I will highly recommend you to go back and watch those videos first. All right, let's talk about the aliases. So we have already seen like how we can create aliases uh, in one of the while using fragments. We saw like how we can use alias. So same way like we can create alias of anything like any query. So for example, let's say we want to name some query here. Let's say I want to name like get products. So I can name it this way as well, get products. So either you use this kind of thing, that's fine, or you can skip the word as well. But I just for this here what showing you is like you can also name any query. And like if you want to find products, you can just simply go and type these properties and then you will try to fetch, then you will able to get it. Also, like even if you remove this thing completely, so empty bracket will work as, I mean, this root bracket will work as query. So it is still working. Let's talk about something that is alias. So here we have one query. By using this, we can find one particular product. So let's say we want to find a product one. So I'm giving alias of this product, and what I will be doing now is I will write the product query, and since this is I'll just undo this. That was actually auto imported the variables. For now, like we are not going to look into the variables. I will be creating a separate video on the variables. Now what we can do is like here we can just add ID. So one of the ID was product one, and then I can select some fields like name, price, and also ID, right? If I expand this, you can see as well like description. One of the thing is description. Let's do that. Now if I run, I can see like product one details here. Similarly, let me just copy this and I will try to change the product one to product two, and then I will run. I'm getting both the product one and product two details. Both are different, right? Now there can be many scenarios like you will be using the same fields multiple times as we are doing it here. So in that case, what we can do is like we can create fragments and we can keep the common fields there, and we can just restructure that fragment here. We can use that fragment to display all the properties. For example, like here, what I'm going to do here is like I will write a fragment syntax. Then what I'm going to do is like I will name the fragment name. I can say like cart details, or you can say cart fields. On we'll be writing the same thing as we did in inline fragment, and what we are going to do is like we are going to write the name of the type, that is product. And what I will do is like I will copy paste these fields from here. Then I can use this cart fields here. Instead of all these four, I will use three dot, and we'll put the card fields. Similarly, I can copy paste and place in the product too as well. Now if I try to run this, I will see the same output. Now we have defined our ID name price description at one place using fragment instead of rewriting these fields again and again in product 1 and in product 2. Now you can create the field alias as well like we did earlier, for example, product name. You can do that here as well. We can use the same things, that is fine. You can also do the same thing like for example the variants. So the variants we can have variant name, you can do that here as well. Now if you want to like have what type of variant is this, then what we can do here is like we'll have to if you want to see the size and the price, then what we can do here is like we can use the inline fragment as we have done earlier. Let me show you how we'll be doing it. So we can write is something like this, variant, and then we can do is size. Also, like we can do same for the color variant. We can put color. Now, if I try to execute it, I will get the variant as well. Similarly, like if I want to name this query, we can do like cart products or something like that. All right, so that's it about fragment and alias. In next video we can like I will be showing you how we can write variables, how you can create variables, like instead of writing these fields here hard coded, we can create variables here. Till then, stay tuned for the next video and keep watching. Have a nice day.